Welcome to Padang Beach, located in the heart of Padang, West Sumatra. This beach is one of the favorite tourist destinations for both locals and foreign travelers. With its white sand stretching along the coast and soothing waves, Padang Beach offers stunning natural beauty and a variety of interesting attractions. But Padang Beach is not just about unique natural scenery, it is also rich in historical and cultural values. Once known as an important sea trading center, the beach has now evolved into a tourism icon for the city of Padang. One of the iconic infrastructure here is the dove statue. Along the shoreline, visitors can enjoy a variety of Minang culinary specialties at neatly organized stalls. You can find many people selling various types of traditional Minang food here. And you can enjoy your meal while taking in the stunning view of the beach. The Padang city government is also adding entertainment facilities such as children's play areas, city parks, and open stage for art performance. This aims to attract more tourists, including families and young people seeking modern destination while still enjoying the natural ambience. With its combination of natural charm, cultural activities, and continually improving facilities, Padang Beach has great potential to develop into a main tourist destination in West Sumatra.